Hello, everybody. Now I will try to explain how you can add the data analysis and solver tools into your Excel. Why we need, first I want to explain this because these tools are used to analyze your data. For example, finding basic statistics or correlations among some time series, and also fitting linear or nonlinear regression to the data. Again, you can use such tools to investigate some apply some statistical test, ANOVA, t-test, etc. You can do this as possible by adding these tools. So how you can do this, I want to explain now briefly. You take a file of Excel and then you comes to options and then you take add-ins and later on you come to Excel add-ins. Here you see, and then go, and you see here we see some tools. You can add these tools. So I am ticking these three and then tick OK. After that, you will see that under data, here under data, you will see we have data analysis and solver tools. Now we could add these tools into our Excel. Then we can use these tools by ticking them. For example, data analysis, you will see the how we can use these tools. Later on, I will explain this briefly. I will mention now. Here you can see you can apply by using these tools. These options you can apply. You see correlation, covariance, descriptive statistic, ANOVA, and different tests and histogram, Fourier analysis, etc. You can do this, and also regression you can see here, and also using solver. Also, you can fit some equations to the data. So you copy paste your data here, and then you select solver, and then you can minimize some differences between your data and your, for example, regression, linear or nonlinear regression you produced. The difference between them, real data and your regression, it's possible to fit them by using solver. Thank you for now, and see you on my another video.